Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this Converse shoe in Dress to Impress. So this game-changing Converse hack will take your sneaker style from basic to boss level all in just a few easy taps. So if you want to create this Converse inspired shoe, I'm going to show you how you can create this one. So for this shoe in here, you just need to put on 3 items. So first, you're just going to put on the socks and toggle it into height strip socks and color it black and white like this. And then you can just put on this sneakers in here. Then change the color into black for the first color and white for the second one, and the third color go back to black like this. And for the the shoe tie, you can just leave it to white. Then you can just combine it with this boots in here. And for the boots, you can color the first one to black and the second one white, and the rest of them also white like this. And just like that, you'll get this long Converse shoe. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks for more DTI hacks and tutorial. Bye.